In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb come across and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb come across can mean to meet or find someone or something by accident. When you are cleaning your attic, you find something interesting. You tell your partner, "I came across these old photos today. You should take a look." You meet a friend you haven't seen for a long time by accident in the street. "I came across Jenny today in the garden centre. I haven't seen her for a long time." You find a document in your colleague's office that shouldn't be there. "I came across this on your desk today. Can you tell me what it was doing there?" Come across can also mean to communicate a meaning or impression. A company are writing a job post to attract some new talent to the team. They want the job to sound creative and enjoyable. Do you think the post comes across as interesting? Would it make you want to work here? A new colleague from Brazil has sent an email, but some people are confused about the meaning. You reply to let him know. "Diego, I received your email, but the meaning didn't come across very well. Can I help you to make it more clear?" The tone of someone's voice can help you to understand their intentions. Paul's tone made his speech come across as very urgent. We should act on what he said immediately. Come across can also mean to provide or supply something when it was needed. A client delivers their brief just in time. Microcorp came across with the brief this morning. It's sitting in your inbox. A friend calls you when the tire in your car goes flat. I'm going to come across with a new tire for you now, and we'll have you back on the road in no time. A disaster area is in need of aid and relief. First responders are coming across with water, food, and medical supplies. So, to sum up, come across can mean to meet or find by accident, to come across some old photos, to come across a friend. To communicate an intended meaning or impression. The meaning didn't come across. He came across as a good team player. To provide or supply something when it was needed. To come across with more information. To come across with the goods. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.